YouTube? Your boy back with another video, and today it's gonna be a quick video, just me going over the durability of SprayWrap. I guess I'll put a picture of it right here for real. But yeah, it's like pretty much like sprayable vinyl from what they say. But yeah, I had it on my wheels for about 2.5 years, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. He did say it could last in between 6 months, though I guess about 2 years, so it's about that time. But I mean, for the 2 years, I guess it did a pretty good job for real. So I had it on, year round, never took my wheels off, so I always rode it through summer, winter, snow, rain, everything. So pressure washer, car wash, so that my wheels got it all. So enough rambling, let me show you guys the cold start. But here is the wheels after 2 years, 2.5 years of spray wrap. So it's about time to redo it. As you guys can see, it's chipping all around there, chipping right there, big chunk missing right there. But it's still glossy, so it still has that glossy effect. It's still smooth. It's just, chipping in certain areas. So there's one wheel. There's the other wheel. It's probably the worst wheel. Chipping the worst. But like I say, you feel me? Still got that nice, clean, glossy look. Way better than plastic. It's just, I guess after a while, it just chips. And, plastic, it just gets dull and maybe starts peeling if you don't do it right. But yeah, this is I guess formerly known as auto dip. It's now SprayWrap. It's real hard to find this. I don't know if they discontinued or whatever, but I was luckily able to find 2 cans. But trying to look on the website, sold out. Amazon don't got it. So luckily I was able to find somebody with at least 2 cans. So I'll be touching these wheels up soon. Like I said, still very glossy. And the final wheel. So yeah, guys, that was just a pre-film, just a pretty much quick little update on the durability of SprayWrap. It's cool for real. Like, got a good sheen. Lasted, I guess, quite some time. 2 years is a long time anyway, especially for what, like $80 for 4 cans, like $20 a can, so it's not bad. Cheap DIY. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm definitely gonna be touching up. It's definitely that time. So yeah, guys, just want to make a quick update. Until next time.